In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to lock your Facebook profile to maintain privacy. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to lock your Facebook profile to ensure your privacy. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here. Having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and navigate to Settings and Privacy. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Settings. Then you have to scroll down right here and look for Profile Locking. All right, take you to this particular page. So the first information here states that only friends will see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution picture, profile, and cover photo. People will still be able to search for you and send you a friend request. So these are all the three options that you are entitled to when you lock your profile on Facebook. So for you to finally lock your profile, simply click on Lock Your Profile. So you can see you lock your profile, only your friend can see the photo, post, and story on your Facebook. So simply click on OK right here. So boom, your profile has been locked. Okay, so this is a step-by-step on how to lock your Facebook profile to ensure privacy to only friends on Facebook. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.